Hello guys, it's a Bounty News channel. In this video I would like to speak about the Uchain product. Uchain is the public infrastructure blockchain network specifically designed for the global sharing economy. Along with other sharing economy enterprises, the company aspires to build a decentralized worldwide sharing economy ecosystem where every user can exchange value and publish contents freely without intermediaries. Through Uchain and its decentralized autonomous ecosystem, all users and merchants will be empowered. The company has been working on a solution, realizing the way to solve these issues will be thought the implementation of a trolley-free peer-to-peer network with the combination of blockchain technology along with an underlying themes of the sharing economy. The Uchain platform uses a middleware technology that combines innovative blockchain technology with traditional database technologies to enable the creation of tables similar to traditional databases on the blockchain, enabling rapid conversion of platform data between local databases and blockchains. Only by using this technology can the company ensure that complex data and historical reviews within shared economy applications can be stored intact, well structured and quickly on the blockchain. The Uchain platform adopts the same properties that all blockchain data cannot be tampered with, including service providers' transaction records, historical reviews, and other structured data to ensure legitimacy. Value of token. As the official digital currency of Uchain, UCN has huge potential in market value. This value is quantifiable. As mentioned previously, by 2018, the market scale of the global shared economy will reach $520 billion. Within it, centralized platforms as the matchmakers stand to make about 30% of the profit. As the business grows, more applications are implemented and more data is collected. Credit evolution and technology services will become more valuable in the market. UCN is not only digital currency but also base currency for all of the derivatives on Uchain. Transaction value. UCN is circulated in all dApps built on top of Uchain, a payment for all kinds of transactions. Supply chain vouchers. UCN can be used as vouchers for the purchase of assets from suppliers, sharing bicycles, smart devices, and etc. Data contribution rewards. Users will be rewarded with UCN if they decide to contribute their data to the development of the ecosystem. Value added to services. UCN can be used for payment of API services provided by Uchain. Community rewards. UCN will be rewarded to the community contributors such as third-party developers and community operators. User incentives. UCN can be earned by improving your community activity, such as onboarding more users and creating valuable content. Functions. Red envelope reward. In order to increase the use efficiency of the bicycles, UBicycle will implement smart contracts that when the use of a bicycle is below a certain threshold, it will be identified as a red envelope bicycle on the dApp. Once the user rides a red envelope bicycle, a certain number of tokens will be rewarded depending on its previous degree of use, along with the total distance the user rides. Account management service. Users will register a new account with their phone number or email address, with each user being assigned a unique digital identity that is linked to the account. The user can also link their digital wallet to the dApp for easier access. All the transaction and user behavior will be recorded and associated with their digital identity on the blockchain. Transaction service. All transactions taking place on the UBicycle dApp will be dealt in UCN. The transaction itself, along with its payment information, will be passed to and stored on the Uchain blockchain. It will also be used as a data source for updating user credit passport. Wallet service. Bicycle will also use and connect its dApp to the wallet service provided by Uchain. After the Uchain digital wallet is successfully associated with the user's account, the user can directly use all the wallet services such as payment and token transfer inside the dApp. Task system. The Bicycle will also have a system that distributes operational tasks with a token reward. It will publish the location-based tasks according to the real situation, such as moving a certain number of bicycles from location A to location B, due to the number of bikes being disproportionate. All users in location A will be able to view and accept the task, and once the bicycle is transported to location B, the task is considered complete and users will be rewarded with tokens, which will be displayed prior to accepting to the task. Roles of Uchain. There are two major roles that drive the ecosystem: users and developers. Users can be categorized in services users, independent service providers, and enterprise service providers. Independent developers or Uchain Foundation developers create and maintain the infrastructure. They interact with each other, establishing their distinct values to make Uchain a better ecosystem. Users are the foundation of the whole ecosystem. Service users can pay UCN for any interesting service provided on the dApps based on Uchain, or simply make transactions on Uchain's P2P transaction platform. Independent service providers can acquire UCN either by contributing their idle resources or property through the dApps. Enterprise service providers can develop specialized dApps with Uchain infrastructure to provide services. They will be paid with the matching amount of UCN by the automatic payment functionality implemented in smart contracts. After users' use of the dApp, along with the incentive UCN provided by the ecosystem, enterprises can also pay UCN for Uchain's infrastructure services, and Uchain will purchase UCN back depending on the development of the whole ecosystem. Problem of trust. Trust is essential for the sharing economy. In order to make transaction possible, the consumers and suppliers of the market have to achieve a mutual trust first. Traditional technology has not been able to solve the problem of trust between people through technical means. As a result, the platform, acting as an intermediary, vouches for both parties to facilitate the transaction. Sometimes it collects deposits or collateral from both parties to reduce the financial risk, which has virtually increased the barriers and cost to the sharing economy. Data leakage and abuse. Data abuse is also a common social phenomenon, with users having to provide their personal information, such as phone number and email addresses, to the sharing platform of their choice. After obtaining users' information, instead of complying with the user agreement, some companies use this data for other purposes, with some cases showing being sold for money. The recent Facebook Cambridge Analytica data scandal involves the collection of personally identifiable information of up to 87 million Facebook users that Cambridge Analytica began collecting in 2014. The data was used to influence voter opinion on behalf of politicians who hired them. Not only do users not have control over their own data, they sometimes will also be troubled by all kinds of harassment. Solution. The essence of blockchain is an autonomous peer-to-peer network. It can achieve a tamper-proof, decentralized and fully autonomous ecology that everyone can participate in, which coincides with the nature of the sharing economy. The sharing economy is a peer-to-peer business model that will be in a far more advanced state with the application of blockchain. The idea behind the community autonomy will inspire people around the world to participate in and benefit from the development of Uchain. The more information about this product you can find on the links which I put under my video. Thank you for your attention.